technology companies are still finding out how users want to interact with voice assistants, but it seems that one option is to make them less talkative. Amazon, for example, is apparently testing a new short mode for Alexa devices that replaces some of the verbal responses and confirmations of the virtual assistant with beeps. Reddit users were the first to report the function with AFTVnews when they picked it up. One Redditor writes, "I just asked Alexa to turn on my lights. She said okay as if it was normal, but after that, she told me that it would be the last time she would, and that she would hear a beep instead of a successful command." This seems to be the only difference with the short mode, which uses beeps instead of verbal cues to recognize successful commands, but it is not hard to imagine how Amazon could expand its applications. We have contacted the company to find out and update the story if they respond. For example, you may want to set certain times of the day as Do Not Disturb, so Alexa will automatically use non-verbal responses late at night and early in the morning. It would also be great to have the option to cut out verbal responses for common commands. When you ask Alexa how much time is left on a timer, you do not need to hear you have a timer with X minutes remaining each time. In other words, Amazon can do a lot here, and it's interesting to think how these design options can improve the user experience. As long as they do not bring back the horrifying laughter of Alexa.